Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about my journey to Ichenium, guys. A traditional healer, because some of the people don't know this. I'm a traditional healer. I'm a Sangoma. Okay, no. Let me not try to. Okay. Okay, so guys, like, because I get a lot of questions and I got a lot of people people like to talk about something that they didn't know and they didn't understand, how can you talk about something that you are not sure about? How can you say something that you are not into? It's like, guys, no, do not talk about something that doesn't matter to you. Nyangis. Okay, so guys, my journey was so hard. I wouldn't lie. My journey was so hard, like in such a way that I even lost myself, guys. I lost myself while I was trying to find my calling, just to be me, because I found out this I was lost in a process where finding my journey, because I ended up thinking a lot, being an overthinker, and like trying to do something that is not worth it. So ngiqale ngifunda ugrade 7, bengifunda ugrade 7 eGulube Primary School, because yeah, bese ngifunda grade 6 or grade 7, where I realized ukuthi no, there's something wrong about me. Because ekhaya besinokuhlala ekhaya, ngikhule nje emndenini omuhle, bese uright nje ekhaya, angeke ngize ngisho sibexakile, angeke ngize ngisho sibehlupheka. Ekhaya bekuright, because uma bekwazi ukuthi I take care of ithina nje siyingane, and ugogo bekakhona, abo auntie bebekhona, abo bhuti bebekhona, abo sisi, bekumndeni nje alright. It was just a very happy family, like bekumnandi. So there was a time la ngiseloni ngisako grade bani uyazi ke ma unosisi wakho umcishe ndlingayi naye, yabo, nomdadweni omncane, kunalokho ukuthi into enixabane nami ngangisayingane sixabane, but I used to say something ukuthi like kuno into ezokwenzeka kuwena kuzokwenzeka ukuthi nampela lonto yenzeke. So my mom keep on saying, lalela la wena, yeke lento yakho ukuthi ulubu ukhuluma izinto, because the time ukhuluma izinto zijike zenzeke, yabo, ngempela. Hayi ngisalapho ke, and okwami ke lokho angicabanga ukuthi okay, maybe there is something wrong about me, but I do have this thing ukuthi I man no, khonto engesho, into engashayi kahle kumina, yabo, angifani nezinye ingane. Okay, it's fine. So hayi ngihambe ke ngikhule ke kuphaseke sihambise elontuzana eMadlanyoka. Mangifika eMadlanyoka, okay, it's grade 8 now. Mangifika nje ka grade 8 lathi idlozi lalela la wena sikuwena ke njengamanje. Mangifika grade 8, khumbula ngifika nje isikole esisha, ngifunda eMadlanyoka. Abantu esasifunda nabo, I think they can understand my calling. I think they can understand makuthiwa uSiphewu seyisangoma njengamanje. I think they can understand abogcina abangangijaja, because bayazazi izinto ebezazenzeka esikoleni. So ngithe mangifika grade 8, there was a lot happening, by this time, because I used to hear voices, like ngizwe umsindo in my ears, like I couldn't understand and I couldn't get hold ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani, and I was lost. And then the time ngizwa lo msindo okhuluma la, kube ngathi ngahlanya, kube ngathi ngiyahlanya, and I'm like, because angikazi ukuthi kwenzakalani nakumina, yabo, ngizozwa izinto ekhuluma la in my head. I'm like, this is demon. There's no way that I can be like this. This is demon. This is evil. So I went to a church. Kunesonto lapha eMgwenya kwathiwa ikakhuluma dinga. Ngile kulela sonto la bekusonto bekumnandi bekunjeya. Kodwa into engangixakile sonto, they didn't help me. Abaze bangisize kulela sonto, ngilibe ngiye, and I get irritated ukuthi ngiye kulela sonto, because uya kanjani, because mina yonke into engangihambela ukuthi ngithole usizo. Okay, angigcinanga lapho, ngabuya lapho elontuzeni eZayoni, ngasuka ngahamba ngayensindisweni lapha koMamzuza ngasenhlokaneni. Ngafika nakhona ngasebenza ngasonto. Okay, it's fun, akukho kwangisebenzela. I wouldn't lie, say something that's good khonto yangenzela. Ngahamba ngayichibini, ngikhishela amabhavu, ngabhava, ayikho into yangisiza, ngaqhubeka ngagula. Into eyangixaka eZayoni, it was cool, bengithanda isonto laseZayoni, but bekunalento ukuthi eZayoni each and every time kuzoba khona labo mama bazovuka bezongitshela ukuthi bavuka umoya ukuthi wena unedlozi kwashacima, bafuna uthwasa abantu bakini and all of those stuff. Remember, mina noma asingendaba amadlozi, mina noma we are not into lezi zinto zamadlozi. There is a time where ngabuya elontuzeni esesontweni, mangibuya esontweni bangibhunyele ngamanzi, bangikhumela ukuthi hamba uyobhunyelwa amanzi, and bangishaya bangitshela ukuthi nginamadlozi, bangitshela nje yonke lento, and I was so irritated. I was so angry, I was so angry. because lento lesiya ngokuya bebe ngitshela okay it's fine ngiyangitshela uyazi nawe ukuthi ucika kanjani umuntu lezokutshela into oyaziyo osuyizwile vele futhi ecikayo ongayifuni. Okay, there is a time where lapho ngibuya khona elontuze esontweni ngifica ugogo uhlele endlini ngisi gogo ngeke ngize ngikwazi mina ukuyimela lento. Athini kwenze njani? Ngisicha esontweni bahlezi bengishaya bahlezi bengithanazela bangitshela into eyodwa usi mina ngedlozi idlozi lani lelo idlozi lani lelo yabo. I was shouting like I'm angry. Athi ugogo no bekezela kuzolunga libe nje uqhubeka udedele igazi kuzolunga ubayekele bayazi into abayenzayo bazokusiza kwashaya cimi. Okay, remember ugogo beka umnganami may her soul rest in peace, you know, because ugogo ube umuntu engakhuluma naye ziningi izinto bengingayikhuluma nogogo ngayikhuluma noma ngayikhuluma no auntie ngayikhuluma noba ugogo ube umnganami uqala ukugcina. So I remember the other day lapho ugogo besagula ekhaya megula ugogo angisazi usabo auntie babeyephi noma babeyephi, because I remember this day ngithatha amanzi ngwambusisa lamanzi and ngafaka umuno guys ngenza into engayazi ngafaka umuno ngiyakhuleka because most of the people used to kusibabamba ama glass no babamba ini mina ngafaka umuno ngiyathandaza ngiyakhuluma ngiyafaka umuno ukuthi ayigogo singathi nga right. I remember that day ngamnikeza amanzi ngathi gogo umphuza kumxakile ugula. Okay aphuza ugogo walala wavuka ngakusasa ukuthi hayibo wesiphela amanzi athi ngiphuza nabe nani kithi mina remember I'm so scared lento engenza kanje usingenzani, you know, mhlambe ngenzeka mistake mhlambe ngithi ngiyenzile lento. I was so scared because mina I don't trust myself anymore. I don't trust myself like ngiyayenza lento nje just because ish othi ngiyenza, but I'm so scared ukuthi what if nje ngiyamnikeza lamanzi and mhlambe nje bevele segula mhlambe kuzonza something and ngamnikeza lamanzi and then ugogo mevuka ngakusasa uthi hayibo yazi ngilale kamnandi kanjani kwangazi ukuthi konke kuphelile nje empilweni nami yonke nje yabo wakhuluma ukuthi ube right. Ngathi no ubuza nje sokukhona nabo auntie nabo ba ngithi hayi no amanzi ngwakhe empompini la engwaphela nosempopini engwaphela phela ntuze emphongolweni shuthi ngoba beyibanda yabo. Athi are you right span so guys ngisaqhubeka hayi ke asho ukuthi ube right angikho ke lapho hayi ngiqhubeka ngihamba amasonto guys kuthi from grade 8 grade 9 ngiyagula guys. I was sick ngangigula ngokwangempela and then angazi ukuthi kwenzakala ngempilo yami. There is a time le engacabanga khona ukuthi yazi kuphelile ngempilo yami, why don't you ukuthi ngithathe intambo ngiyihlilele ngibulala, because there is no way le ngakhona ayikho into eyenzakalayo izinto zihlangahlangene yabo yonke into ayihambi ngale ndlela engifuna ukuthi ihambe ngayo. Okay it's fine. Hayi ke ngihambe ngibuyele esontweni. Mangifika esontweni kunomama ababe bafundisi angazi noma bafundisi noma babeyini lapha elonduzeni esontweni kaKhulumadinga. Kwakuumama uMntungwa benobaba uMntungwa abanye bayamazi ke le ndaweni owalapha ngaseGqulu bangisiza laba abantu bangisiza. Even now ngifisa amandla okubonga ngazi usingabonga ngani yabo bangisiza because ngaba ngisiqedanga mina isikole so babengekho bona because bangisiza ngendlela yokuthi they understood me even ukuthi mhlambe babangihlolela bethini no ubaba uMntungwa he was not more okuthenini uyabona uzokubonela kutshela ukuthi hey ngibona ukuthini into ethini, but he was gifted, you know, uyamazi umuntu onesimono moya but wayekwazi ukuthi ahandle umoya wakhe. So mangifika angitshela ukuthi hayibo wesiphem ubofika la uzothatha umuthi kwashaya cima wara uzokwazi ukusize wara yabo. Ngihambe ngiyothatha manguthatha lo muthi bathi uzofika uphalaze ngawo lo muthi lo uzophahla ngenkomishi ngiphahle ngenkomishi uyaphalaza ekseni uyageza ngawo ekseni lo muthi. Okay it's fine usebenzisa ubanda. Hayi alright it's fine ngivumela yonke into. Remember sengiyagula sengivumela yonke into ukuthi noma ngabe yini ezayo angithathi angizoza ngisazi izinto ezongiphilisa manje. Akukho mnandi oqala ukugula phambi kwenganzo isikole. Yazazi nganzo isikole zizocriticize zizokujudge zizosho yonke into. It was not nice and then mase kuba khona abantu ababethena hey usiphe uyafake. How can I fake ukuvukwa idlozi? How can I fake iminyaka emingaka for 4 years mhlambi ngigula? How can I fake that? Ngazi ukuthi kunabantu abangibuka engizothi mangivuka kusasa ngihambe esikoleni ngiphinde ngishaya amahloni ngisho ukubabuka emehlweni ukuthi lezi ingane gazi zizothini kusami kade ngigula izolo zingibona ngisangana ngenza nje. How can I fake that? Cha abantu kodwa angicabangi guys angicabangi out of all every people kubo bonke abantu nina labantu bokugcina bangangijudge nabantu bokugcina bangakhuluma izinto ezibad ngami because benikhona benisesikoleni senzeka zonke lezi zinto abanye bebeyibona abanye bekwenza ngingakayi kuthwasa yabo. So hayi ke ngilontuzeke ngigcine okay ngihambe ngiyothatha lo muthi ngusebenzise lo muthi. Okay sifana kube ngazi ukuthi kuba right. I remember ukuthi isipho sona into engangivele nginayo because I remember there is a guy esasifunda naye engiyangiza ngimusho igama lakhe and angisakhumbuli but I remember ukuthi ngamtshela ukuthi wena uzogula for isonto lonke ngazi ukuthi kwenze njani nami ngangisangani ukuthi nalodwa ngangithathe laphi angisakhumbuli but uGuy wathi hayi yahlanya wena washacima yabo kwakumnandi nje sikhuluma le nto. Okay Sibani, hayi uGuy angezipho isonto lokuqala angenzele lesibili angezikole lesithathu and ngibuza umngane wakhe hayibo upha Sibani manje I know Sibani uyagulile phansi ngithi sho ngiqale manje ngishawa uvalo ukuthi hayibo ngashinto nje kuyenze ngempela yabo ushinto unganakile ungazi ukuthi why futhi usho lonto and I was like hayibo sengishawa uvalo ke manje nami ngiyaqala ngiyashake ke manje kwenzakalani ngempela ngami. Okay Sibani nginganaki futhi nalapho hayi ngidlulele phambili lapho ngitshela nje ukuthi mina amademoni no ngoba phela mina noma besingayifuni izangoma mina noma we don't like izangoma besingayifuni besiyinyanya besithi hey izangoma we paint it as abantu abaloyaya abantu abathakathayo abantu abangcolile izangoma besiyiphenta ngalokho ukuthi nje izangoma nje abantu nje yabo nje izangoma yabo. Okay it's fine. So ayike ngihambe okay yeah banginikeza umuthi usebenzisa ukuthi grade 10 sengiyabona ukuthi sengisharp sengiright nje yabo impilo si normal. Okay it's fine athi ma yazini siphe ngoba vele sengiyabona ukuthi usagula izinto zakhe sezi-right why ungayelo nto uzempangisi because mina I never asked my mom ukuthi ngicela ma uke empangisi uma ngaze ngamhlupha mina ngezinto eningi because ngiyazi ukuthi ulwile elwele empilo yami kuningi angenzele kona yabo ngidlula ngisho ukubonga because mina ngumuntu emotional guys once ngaqala ngathi ngiyabonga inyembezi ziyehla because like angazi yabo. So ayike angisempangisa ke mangifike empangisa nge-right nginjeyana abantu abazi empangisa ukuthi ngiyagula bazilutho nje ngami abantu ababazi laba ezingangisona elontuzeni madlani ukuthi hayi lo uyagula and abanye babengisaba bese bengisaba ukuthi hayi lo unamademoni and stuff yonke lonto yabo. Okay mangifika ke Mntonjane okay grade 11 it was cool. Grade 12 it was cool like grade 11 I remember there is a twice I only sick twice ngigule kabili ka grade 11 ngigule kabili umuthi bungasekho ngasawusebenzisa ngitsho ukuthi okay fine sengiright sengisharp lento le ibuyile futhi yakhuluma le madlebeni. You know when into izokhuluma le madlebeni is speak to my ears like guys there is a lot of thing that is happening uma umuntu wedlozi ungakafound out ungakatholi ukulapheka awukwazi ukuthi ulalela idlozi alikwazi idlozi usilikhulume kahle idlozi mazokhuluma nawe likhuluma rapidly. Okokuqala idlozi lakho malingalaphekile uzoyithola ukuthi ususemgaqweni idlozi lakho selabhipha likhuluma yonke into le idlozi lakho engafanele ngabe likhuluma kephi estradini. Okokuqala lokho let's us ngicela ukuthi silungise nalento ukuthi abantu most of the people they think ukuthi idlozi is something that's engikhule nayo noma ngidownloadile no idlozi angidownloadanga angikhulanga nalo idlozi mina ngizalwe nalo not idlozi usingizalwe nalo umoya ngizalwe nawo umoya wasewambathwa abantu abadala basekhaya bangasekho umoya mina I was always be the mina bengihlezi ngikhuleka ngumuntu omthandazo mina let me tell you something mina mangifika ebandleni laselontuzeni labasindisiwe I can profess mangifika ebandleni sezawuni ngingaprofessor mangifika ke pheze sisinga professor it doesn't mean ukuthi ngoba nakhe ngithiwa ena okay senganamwa ngahamba ngolashwa ke phi ebungomeni manje sekuwukuthini sokuthi manje sengizokwazi ukuthi ngihlole esigodlweni kuphela cha it's not like that. Umuntu onesiphiwo umuntu okwazi ukuthi akuhlole noma ngabe ukubona kuphi akutshela ukuthi yazini kunento kanje but lo muntu lo kumele kube nezinto azokwazi ukuthi ayisethe because lento ibuyihambe bese yakushaya endleleni kumele uhambe wenze njani uyolashwa in such a way that ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ulibambe idlozi noma yiphi into ekhuluma noma umoya yakhuluma ukwazi ukuthi ubambe umoya yabo. Mina ke guys ngiyawubamba umoya shem ngiyawubamba noma ngakhuluma nithi usibambana ngaboni whatever the case may be lalela mina ngiyawubamba umoya shem ngiyawubamba kodwa mase kufanele ukuthi ngitshele ngizokutshela into zakho yabo. So ngikhuleke lapha ngikhumbula kahle kwakunelwa kaNgcongo kambe lo waye assistant I think waye assistant wayese classini ngathi singabe sengaphuma eclassini ngahamba ngayi toilet mangithi singabuya like umsindo omningi like I can't concentrate kulezi zinto ezikhuluma emadlebeni like ikhanda kube ngathi liyaduma kube ngathi ukuthi yabo nje yabo ayike ngiphumela eminyango ngoba ngisiphela kuzokwehlisa umoya nani ke baba ngumsindo ilento ekhuluma emadlebeni kufanele ukuthi ngiunderstand ngizwe ukuthi kahle kahle ifuna ukuthini yabo. Hayike okay guys so ngisabhizinisi ngizama uconcentrate lutho akwenzeki lutho aye shothi ngicine ngiphumile ngisisa ngilandela uneyangibuza usindaba kwenzakala ngimtshosi ngiyagula athi yini ukugula nani. Remember guys angizazi ukuthi nani ngikephi manje nga grade 11 eMntonjana angizazi ukuthi ngigula nani because you can't like lento masivuka uzothi ngigula nani mase ngibuza umuntu uyagula unani kuvuka idlozi ayibo hayi ngeke no. So kusa kanjalo ke hayi ngibona ukuthi no ngizoshayeka ngoba meke ngabona logulo ngase ungiqala manje no yazini angiphindele khona nami ngiyothatha umuthi futhi kuba umntungu ngoba ngizoshayeka ngoba lento mase ngivukile kumele ukuthi ngisuke ngenyawo ayikhethi isikhathi engangokuba emadlanyoko bese bazi ukuthi uthisha bese seclassini ngiphume bese ngekho isikhathi ukuthi ngizothi please teacher may I go out no ubese bazi othisha ukuthi okay useqala into zakhe i-security bese lazi igate behlezi bese lazi igate ukuthi yazini akukho isikhathi ukuthi loza ozabuza ukuthi angivula igate noma uzathi uyapi bese kwaziwa ngiyaphuma ngegesi ngiyahamba ukuze ngiyofika ekhaya le ngiyakhona. So into nje beyinjalo ngabona ukuthi no ucabanga kusuka le eMtontshane ngenyawo uzofika eLontuzeni eGulube ngihamba ngiyagula yonke le ndlela ngihamba ngibuka abantu ke nje manje sengiwuhlanya no ngabona ukuthi yazi angisengiphinde ngiyolanda lo muthi hambe ngiyolanda lo muthi guys ayike usebenzisa up until ngize ngiyaqeda ugrade 12 yonke into ikhuli ngiqeda ugrade 12. Remember guys ngiqeda ugrade 12 vele ngine stress angazi ngisho noma ngizophatha yini lezi zinto ezenzakala empilweni yami because let me tell you something guys mina bengafundi I wouldn't lie bengafundi mina it's just that yonke into eyangayithola kwakuyinto nje engayithola I don't know where but bengafundi because there is a time when ngithatha incwadi ngiyayibheka ngizamule ngize ngithatha incwadi ngiyivale kube ngathi ngibukwe idlozi ngiyozamula kuze kube buhlungu la lezi indawo lezi meke ngathi ngibheke incwadi ngiyozamula kuze kube buhlungu kuze kube ngathi khonto edonsekayo la phansi hayi ngithatha incwadi ngiyibeke lapha ngijijele mina bengicrema yonke into engiphathile bengiphatha ucrema so kube ukuthi ngiyaqeda ugrade 12 wethu ke sekulinde ukuthi ama results yimi lo ngihamba ngiya komunye omama abaziwayo waka Nazareth ngiphe ngimbuza ngithi ngina stress ngiphathe imali ngiyazi vela Nazareth akhishwa imali engango 20 bani 100 rand 200 rand ukuthi uzohlola noma uzobheka ngiyobheka ukuthi ngicela uzobheka abantu ukuthi ngakona izinto ngicheckele ukuthi ngizophatha noma kuzoyenzakalani because ngina stress njengamanje ngazi ukwenzakalani okay hayi bantu mama ngitshela ukuthi okay asingeni la singeni lapha endlini yakhe hayi ka ngitshela ukuthi no hayi uzophasa kodwa into engixaka la ukuthi uzophasa ngathi uphasa le ndlela uzophasa ngayo yabo ngoba kunale idlozi lakho elivele base liqhama liyavimba ngwalisa ifuna lenzela izinto aqeda ayiqede ke lapha because guys remember ngishilo ngathi mina noma besingayifuni izangoma nothi uthi idlozi besingali uma bekholelwa vele idlozi but izinto eshoyo izangoma bengayithathi serious bengayizizwa bengayifuni izangoma nami bengayifuni izangoma sinathi noma besingayifuni izangoma at all angiqamanga ungitshela ngaye izinto yabo once wangitshela ngokuthi idlozi sengiyazi bezongitshela ukuthi imngoma funa ngihambe ngiyongena emngomeni mina bengafundi izongihlanisa nesangoma okay it's fine ngiphume lapho sengicikekile ngoba sengitshela yazi wevesane umuntu ofuna ungicika uzovesana ungitshela ngedlozi athi wena ufuna ube ngedlozi kasha wevesane angicike lo muntu yabo okay it's fine ngihlale ke ayaphuma ama results the day kuzophuma ama results my mom didn't sleep she didn't sleep wayesweater uma wayejuluka mina I was shaking because I was like angiyiboni ngiphindele esikoleni because mengathi ngiphindele esikoleni izinto zibe worse kakhulu yabo because angisayimisene ukuthi ngisebenzise nale mithi lena ngikhathele ngifuna uhambe ngebasithi manje ngiyokwenza izinto zami yabo yonke okay sifana ama results ngisimase ngiyacheck kuthiwa okay diploma ngithi ish yabona imani sengibuyela kule nto leya ukuthiwa vaze ngiye kubuza kulo mama ukuthi ngizophazani wathi ya uzophasa kahle nje kuphela ngangizoba right because usengitshela ukuthi ngizophasa la ndlela lapho kumele uphase ngayo sengithi okay shis ngangithola diploma kuthiwa nje kwashaya cimbe ngizothola ubachelor ngithi okay fine ngihlale phansi ngifound out ukuthi kahle into enjani ngicheck okay ngithola ukuthi okay khona ilento izinto engazenza ngalo diploma wami okay fine ngi-apply asikho isikole ngisithathayo ngi-apply asikho isikole ngisithathayo luckily lapho angineminyaka ngiminyaka 18 into engayenzayo yokuqala 2021 now hayi ngo-2021 ngiqale ke manje ngiyalontuza ngifuna iy'kola ngisithole ngifuna umsebenzi ngotholi ngithole enye into engayenza I wouldn't say here in public ngenze something ngithola imali kube nemali ngitholayo ngihambe ngiyothenga izinto guys lalela I was so happy I was so excited I was like so happy like ngibona impilo yami sengathi manje ibuyela esimeni ngahamba ngoyithengela izinto khumbula ngineminyaka 18 ngiyaqala ukuthi ngithengele impahla angisaceli kumama mina kusukela from 18 years old kusukela from minyaka 18 angikaze ngacela kumama ukuthi manje ngicela impahla manje ngicela into za Christmas angikaze ngayicela from 18 years old ngisemanje ngiba na 17 ngayikhetha nje ukuthi yazini ngiyavala because uma besinikeza imali while I was 16 17 I think wagcina ina 17 years ukuthi manje ngithengele impahla zokuthi za Christmas noma nginikeza izinto nani yabo okay it's fine so I'm like okay it's fine sengithengile impahla I was so happy I was so excited ukuthi wow shuthi impilo manje siyaqhubeka ke manje ngithengile ibhulu la 680 ibhulu iskipa se Redbet esibhalure esimhlophe ngemumva sibhaliwe ophaqa bephuma baba u400 ka sports scene remember yabo I'm glowing like you know everything has passed away everything is idlulile not knowing kuseza ibhom hayi ngilontuze ngizame guys ibuye izinto bese ziza ngamajubane oqala ngabanje inkunzi ingaphucwa ifoni oqala ngaosibili ngaattack okwethathu ngathenjiswa ngizokidnapwa kwathiwa kumele ngikhiphe imali engango 15000 ngathi no anginayo imali kwathiwa wena siyazi ukuthi unemali and I was like guys ngiyithathaphi imali engango 15000 because angisebenzi ngihlele maka nginezinkinga kwathiwa sizokuthatha lapho kini wena bangithreatenisha bangiscrutinize abasi sizokuthatha lapho kini samsokidnap antontoni lo ungaziwa khona until nikhiphe le mali engango 15000 and I was like that's okay yazini ngoba hey guys I was always smart you know so lo guy lo wengitshela zonke izinto wangithembisa uzongithatha hambe wathi ngipaphi wasongise Greytown angazi ukuthi Greytown ke mind you I think Greytown ise Cape Town kanti Greytown angazi noma ilethe noma ke Greytown kaza ngazi so manje ngifonela Vodacom ngithi ngicela abantu bangisize ukuthi kunenamba lebengifonela ingihlupha la iyangilontuza ngithreatenisha isho yonke into ngicela ukuthi bangicheckele ukuthi inamba idonsa kuphi okay basi bangicheckele bathola ukuthi inamba idonsa la engidonsa khona nami inetwork idonsa endaweni eyodwa ngithi okay it's cool uyangihlanyela lo mind you I don't think ukuthi lento le into serious ngisho mhlawumbe ukuthi umngane nami umoya ongiprankayo noma mhlawumbe umuntu ongisabisayo yabo okay it's fine ngalahlelwa ingubo zami ngalahlelwa yini bangiphuca yonke into ngasanga ngihamba ngetrunk angifuni ukungena ku story ngadlula lapho izinto zibe difficult guys zibe difficult now it starts to go deep because everything that is happening in the society or this is happening ekhaya they will point me they start to say I'm a scammer I'm a fraudster walahleka into they pointed me kwenzeka into they pointed me now attract a bad lucky it's bad thing attracts a bad thing yonke into embi nje izogwela kumina yonke into embi izogwela kumina and I was like no way this can't be me they have bewitching me or as I'm a demon or whatever the case may be okay it's fine so ngilontuza kwenzakaleni okay before lezi zinto zenzeka mani within 7 months yonke lento ayike kulo 7 months lo I was dreaming mangiphupha ngigqoka amabhayi I'm wearing amabhayi amabhayi abovu lawo wezangoma leziya not leza manje zangoma because leza manje segqoka ukubukwa nani nokuglamorous lentoni sifuna ukuthi nasi sibonana ukuthi isangoma lentoni yabo so lamabhayi leza zangoma leza abovu ngigqoke wona I remember my auntie was standing near the door yamnyango kagogo and uma kasigora awulo umakhe ngizomkhola birthday wayeme endlini enkulu and mina kungathi ngimeyila ekitchen elingakakhiwe so mangimile and I was shouting I was screaming hey vimba lonyoka ingangeni lapha endlini yabo vimba lonyoka ingangeni inyoka yavesane yangena lapho ke I'm so irritated lapho ngidiniwe ngidiniwe ukuthi ivumela kanjani inyoka usingena endlini and I was like ephophana ngazi ukuthi why kumayelana nani ngigqoka amabhayi manje sekungena inyoka emakitchen lapha kwendlini kwenzakalani and I was like there is something wrong lapho ke I didn't want to ask anybody about the leli phupho I think ngambuza uma ngamtshela ngalo abayimbuza ngamtshela ngalo sayibe mphupho into ethile athi ma ayingeke kumele uthi uthanda because my mom always say this to me guys my mom is my mom she will always tell me siphe thandaza makavona ngathi thandaza yabo she didn't tell me ukuthi hey siphe nje ukuthi even if sengiqala sengibona ukuthi no manje sengathi sengiya attracteka lento manje ngaba ngitshelayo nabantu yabo athi hey share phansi lezi because I used to take ilontuze the inserts impepha ngifaka endlini yami ngithatha ikhandlela ngilibayithela endlini yami senginesikole endlini yami remember ngoba guys ngishisa yonke into la ngiyafihla manje because ngifuna ukuthi ngihile ke phela ngibe right ngishisa kanti uma uzofound that wathi thatha lento elahla lapha wathi ngithe thandaza wena yikho nje izinto zingezilunge wara yabo yonke lento okay sengiphuphile ngalento boom mhlawumbe kwadlula inyanga eyodwa mase u2 yafika inyoka ekhaya yatheleleka yagaleleka inyoka ekhaya lapho ke I was I freeze guys for maybe for 1 hour I freeze like when I say I freeze do you hear people when they say mhlambe hey bese yabo umudlo lo kunespoke khona bese ekushwaqini noma ekushwaqa ubuso like kwenzeka kanjalo for mhlambe for the whole hour ngifreeze ubuso kwangathi buyadonse kwangathi ngiyashintsha isikhumba ukuthi no now akusemina ke lo inyoka yangenela lapha esibayeni sifica inyoka sinamachwane uyama mezwanti sibuke shone khona masishona khona hayibo inyoka engaka and into sonke ekhaya lonto sihlanye sekhanda ukuthi lenyoka ingene because asikho isikhala lesingabona khona ukuthi lenyoka ingene khona but we were like hayibo usangayinaka lonto but we have this question ukuthi lenyoka ingene phi okay it's fine after that ke undergitching mathatha ubush yabona ubush lo surgeons abantu basemobeni lo akona hubani unkantsholo yes unkantsholo athathe wona awulole ngefilo lakhe asile izongidela kahle lenkulu inyoka guys inyoka ngithi sibasi ifike kubisibaya kanje isibaya kanje esinye ngala amakamera mathathu shuthi kuvalelekile ngala kwabayeleka inyoka ivesana iphumela ithi yabo nansi la sekusela umzimba ke la angene lapho anti nonkantsholo wakhe bu inyoka athi mthuthe eshaya ubhambu busha ngenhlobo hayibo aphinde futhi wesibili busha ngenhlobo guys inyoka hayibo kwenzakaleni ke manje hayi kufonela umuntu ke kufonela omunye umuntu owaziyo ukuthi unayilo into uzigana afika umuntu onegani athi uthe eshaya iphampalaza inhlamba asuthi eshaya iphampalaza inhlamba kwaze kwenziwa ezinye izinto ke yabanjwa ke inyoka yafaka emqaleni intambo yaqinywa kwathiwa ayihanjiswe kumuntu wafika esinye yo ngizotrenda kodwa ke ngizengitrenda kunendaba but because I'm telling the truth you know ake ifike esinye isangoma azini nisiphe lo so lo nyoka leyo sidayiseleni ekhaya-ke we didn't know anything about ukuthi inyoka meyisho kanje idlozi. Abanye bathi khona uzothwasa, abanye bathi nakumele idliwe lo nyoka, abanye bathi zathi nje ekhaya uba ungadli inyoka, mina nje ngeke ngize ngidle lo nyoka. Hayi, abanye bathi ningayidli nizohlanya, abanye bathi funa nigeze bangamele nishaye. You know, people talk anything they want. Abantu baba nama-idea we guys abebhetha mzocima baba nayo yonke into abangayisho guys. So ithathwa ke lo mnyanga le ithatha inyoka ihambe nayo. So hayi ningalontuza eduze amanzi because le nyoka le inyoka yasemanzini akumele ukuthi isondelane namanzi, kumele niyiphamise phezulu. Hayi bayiphamise ko-anti mina ngikho ngesikoleni, bayiphamise bayise kule nyanga. Uma beyise kule nyanga fike umuntu athi nje ngithe ilandeni mina ngifuna ukusangana nonke lapho niyofa nonke. Thwa undrobhile lo muntu ayithathwa lonto inhlanhla lapho uyidlozi la lapho kini yabo ngoba ethathe lonto hambani olanda lonto. Hayi ngampela bagijima anti bamboyilanda. Hey guys bamboyilanda mabebuya nayo hayi ke ihlale allegedly or whatever the case may be. Inyanga bathi ihlala isikhathi eside ngosami yahamba. Inyanga yayidumile yaziwa ukuthi umlaphi yenza zonke izinto eziyimanga. Yahamba out of amasonto mhlawumbe kwaphela inyanga yodwa yahamba lo nyanga leyo, but asazi ukuthi hanjiswa yini. Nathi ke asazi ngosami. Okay, it's fine ke. Hayi sekukanjalo kuhlala abantu babhizi bayakhuluma. Hayi khona uzothwasa on in my mind and noma emqondweni nesinoma ukuthi hayi uantu uzothwasa vele ngoba uyena nje ukuthi abuyena abuye namaphupho ukuthi usibani bani uvuke wathi uyena uzothwasa thina nje cha. Yabo. Okay, it's fine. Hayi ke izinto sihambe isikhathi. Mase sihambe isikhathi. I want to tell people ukuthi ngihlalile. Okay, uma she was so scared ukuthi wara ngihlalile phezulu because bese mumvile bese shadile uma esenomuzi wakhe nogogo. Mina bese ngijolala nogogo mada phezulu because bengalana namuntu uma ilale ezansi nesiphumile. So ngolunye usuku umada wahamba nomndeni angazi babeyephike bezobuye ebusuku kakhulu ngalala ke mina umada akabuyi. Mangithi singalala guys, there was loaded like ngathi yitshe ngazi ukuthi angazi ngiyagcinezela ngathi umuntu oyigcinezela labo ebusuku ngilele. So ngilele phansi because angilele impedeni. By this time impede bengenawo, not bengenawo impede bengushiye ekhaya izansi impede kodwa la kaMada bezingekho uMadade le impede mina ngidlala isponge ngidlala phansi. Ngakhonto engigcinezela ngathi ukuthi manje yabo yonke into guys ngibuke ngithi yazini ngase ngiyabona manje khona into efuna ukwenzeka. Angithatha amanzi bese ngiyakhulekela bese ngiyaphuza bese ngiyalala. Ngithatha amanzi ngisi ngiyavuka ngibona ukuthi yo ngayiqala inkinga. Ngithatha amanzi ngikhule ngisi ngaqeda ukukhule kukhona into esinje mithi ngisukume ngisiyabona manje ngiyahamba like I get out of the door angazi ukuthi umnyango ngawubona ngahamba. I don't know where I was going. And then I remember myself coming back ekhaya sengiyabuya futhi la kaMada. Mengibuya nakuMada usefikile and uma usezansi uMada usefikile. Shuthi base befike bazongicheck bangangithola. Usasho kuMada uphuma phi? What about she is shouting yabo? She is shouting because I know ukuthi why they were shouting, why they were saying yabo ukuthi because kuyakwenzeka isimo sikanje ukuthi bathi bafika kwathi usangisekho endlini sengithathiwe abantu wara yonke umuntu. So they were so scared, you know. So bathetha wara bungasho ngani bla bla yonke lonto no. And then mina lapho ngaloso sikhathi ngingena nje ngibanjwe idlozi. Ngabathane ngabagudluza my mom know very well this ukuthi mase okay sekuyamqala ke manje lezi zinto usiphe agijima siphumeke gym usovimba beze bazongivimba mina ukuthi ngayaphuma kanjani ngahamba ngaze ngaka amakhosinzimande. So mengifika amakhosinzimande ngafike ngawa ke lapho epha ngomnyango ukuthi ngawa kanjani guys I didn't know. So ngawa ke lapho kuthiwa ngase ngikhuluma indaba ngisho kusikosha icima bla 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 yonke into nje ongayicabanga yabo. Ayisho so ngifike kulonto ugobela wami lo makhosinzimande. Afike amakhosinzimande angenza zonke izinto ekseni uma kuthiwa masiphe nangu usiphe sithe mashaya inhlolo la sokusuyathwasa uyidlozi kwasha icima bla 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 athuma okay sifine. So ena kumele ukuthi usho ukuthi umntana wakho ufuna ukwenza ile njani uyahamba uyakothwasa noma akayi kothwasa yabo. Athi uma mina ngazi lutho ngoba uyena okhishwe idlozi lakhe noma yibi lento emkhiphile uyena uzoyiphendulela futhi. That was my mom. Hayi ke so wenze njani ngithi ngiyahamba and mom was like shocked. My mom was shocked, like guys was shocked and she cried a lot. Uma benosisi wami they cry a lot, like I was like kwenzakalani and mase ngibuya uma usangitshela ukuthi hey wena angithi wena wathi lonto uzongasho uphunye nje ukhishwe idlozi njengamanje likisa kumuntu ungaphinda uyibuyele wena indaba ungabuyanga lapha wavuma ukuthi yebo nkoshamzwako ngithi mina angangasazi lutho nkosami ngingasazi lutho. So izinto sakho kanjalo guys ngihambeke nje into asethi guys let me tell you something because kunabantu abahamba bekhuluma into abangazazi. Mina uma khosinzimande angazi ngamazi abengamazi inhlobo because people used to talk izinto ezurubbish. Ngicane yeke ukukhuluma izinto engingazazi, ngicane ukukhuluma izinto engingahlangene nazo. Nina niyacasulwa ngoba ngithanda ukukhuluma izinto engingazazi. Yabo nithanda ukukhuluma izinto eningazani, nithanda ukufaka amanzipho la engadingeki ukuthi nifake amanzipho. Kunezinto ekumele ukuthi nikhulume, nezinto engamele ukuthi nikhulume, njengey'ndaba zabantu, especially izangoma. Wezangoma ninjani, izangoma ey'njani lezi ey'hamba yikhuluma iy'ndaba zabantu. Uxakwe yini indumba yakhe yayibabani, iyakuluma, uhamba ukhuluma iy'ndaba zabantu, isangoma. Masuthi wena wadla impande, yiphi le mpande wayidla kulandisa iy'ndaba zabantu? Hayi, aniyeke ukuba ngesidina nina, yeka nje ukuba ngesidina. Isangoma esingazi lutho, isangoma esingenagedla, sihambe sikhuluma isangoma esinogedla, nihlanganaphi? Ningalinge mina ningijwayele nje kabi. Hawu, sengisholo ukuthi noma ngabe ubani owakwezwa kuthiwa isangoma esithile sithe ngami, nisitshela ukuthi ningangijwayeli nje kabi. Singalinge nje singijwayele nje kabi mina. Izangoma ziyathanda ukukhuluma urubbish. Ziyathanda ukukhuluma urubbish. Mina you can't speak, lalela. Musani ukukhuluma ngedlozi lami, musani ukukhuluma ngedlozi lami, akhulumani ngami. Khulumani ngami, musani futhi ukuhambe nibe nihleba, khuluma, niqonde ukhulume ngami lento ofuna uhambe uyikhuluma kubantu. Yeke nje ungijwayela kabi nini, jwayelana kabi nini. Okay, it's fine. Ukuya kwami kanzimande ngangingamazi uma ukuthi mina banemali, ngangingazi ukuthi uma mina ushadi, ngangingazi ukuthi uma usebenza, ngangingazi ukuthi unemoto, ngangingazi ngisho ukuthi wasephi, ngangingazi ukuthi khona isangoma nginitshele. Mhlawumbe abantu bazothi hey baba ngimazelaphi, even now ma engasho ingafakazi, ngangingamazi mina uma ngangimazi mhlawumbe ngokumbona, kodwa ukuthi mhlawumbe sasingoye mhlawumbe sikhulume naye, ngangingamazi ukuthi uyisangoma, ngangingazi ukuthi khona isangoma lapha mhlawumbe ngangiye ngizwe kodwa ngisakhumbuli. Angingamazi nje nhlobo umuntu naye uma futhi ngiyazi ukuthi wengangazi, ngiyacanga ukuthi wengangazi umuntu owayengazi lapha uma ukhuluma to uyena wengazi ngobani wezwana noma uyena owayengazi kuphela ngoba befunda ndawo lo magel ubengangazi ngosami, ubengangazi nami ukuya lapha bengazi ukuthi uma ushade kephi kangicongo kwashacini, uma uyasebenza banemali kwashacini. Musani ukukhuluma izinto engahlangene, musani ukukhuluma izinto ezurubbish. Nalento yena nihambe nikhuluma nisena hey wa roja lufaka ngabe wadla indiki. Ubani wena ongakhuluma ngedlozi lami ukuthi ngabe ngadla indiki? Niyacika. Yabona this time ngibuyele nina guys, ngibuyele nina. Niyanjwayelana kabi, njwayelana bahambe nikhuluma izinto engahlangene nazo. Noba nini ukuthi ngaze nikhuluma izinto ukuthi umuntu wakumele adle indiki kwashacini. Lalela ke la enye into abanye babuza bathi usiphena wahamba othwasa kodwa akawagqoka amabhayi, uhleze egqokile amabhuke, akafaki ngisho ekhanda ngisho esiphini. Lalela idlozi lami, and futhi mina idlozi alikho emabhayini, alikho entweni zami. Mina idlozi lami lingaphakathi kumina, avaze lihlale emadlozi elontuze emabhayini. Avaze ngilidownload, avaze ngihambe ngiyolibethela, avaze ngihambe ngiyothwala ngithi ngithwele ngamabhayi, ngithwele ngemqhele. Cha, avaze nhlobo. Mina ayikho into engazi mhlambe usiphe mhlambe manje usene stress uhamba uyofuna imizi ngoba ufuna amathwasa. No, anginamona. Ngisho naw nganaw 20. I don't care ngamathwasa. Ngizothiwa ngangena abantu abawu54 endumbeni yakho. Anginandaba because I'm minding my own business. Musani ukungijwayela kabi mina, musani ungijwayela kabi. Yazi yacika lento esangoma, izangoma ezingenagedla hamba ekhuluma amasimba. Hayi musani ungijwayela mina, phumani egameni lagobela wami, phumani nje egameni lagobela wami. Mina ngibona libe pretender as if ngiyamthanda nimenza udoti. Hayi musani ungijwayela nina la. So guys, ilonto ade ngifuna ukisho ukuthi ukuthwasa kwami lo hayi lapha kanzimande. Okay, shuthi ke ngivume yonke into ukuthi okay ngiyahamba. Kuba ukuthi okay siyahamba ke umama uma usenze ibhula bengasho ukuthi usebenza lapho usenze ibhula, athi yazini ngizoprefer ukuthi ngikushonise ugobela wami osemalikazi, ugobela wakhe usemalikazi, abanye bayamazi ke ubabunene. Okay ngihambe guys, when I get them ngiyafika ke phela mina ke ngiyafika ngazi lutho indaba yezangoma, ngazi lutho usikwenzakala nezangomeni. Mangifika ke engithatha inyanga yami ngifake le yandlu leya. Oh guys, yo. Every time when I'm trying to tell this story, people don't laugh at me, like I don't know why. So ngiyafika lapha ngizimase ngiyafika hayibo. Yabo like I'm not speaking like ngiyasho ngenhliziyo ukuthi hayibo. Kwenzakala ndlana. Ngizimase ngiyabona hayibo nanka amagula Nkosi yami, lezi igubhu lezi ethe sifaka emapletini nani isigodlo lesi siyasabisa simnyama mama lapha phambili. And I was like kugcwele inyosi la ziyabhuza endlini, kukhona izinto ezibekwe ngathi zabantu, kukhona onodoli, kukhona into eshawayo. And I was like yo hayi ke la ngizonqunywa, kuzothwala ngami, kuzothatha igazi lami lifakwe la, noma ikhanda lami lizothathwa libekwe lapha angazi. Hayi inyanga ishaya izandla inyanga. Hayibo. I'm still confused like guys. Hayibo kwenzakalani? Hayi gijima ngizokuziqa gudu. Gijima abantu bangena endlini. Mangisiza hayibo. Abantu abanjani lapha? Mangisiza nhla. Hayibo abantu bahamba amadolo. Ngisi Jesu labantu yishosha Nkosi mhlawumbe yade zanqunywa noma mhlawumbe yini. Hayi bamba amadolo. Mangisiza ekhanda nhla abanye bashaya ngento zezimnyama, inwele ezimnyama, lento ephothiwe ezimnyama. Uthi uyabona abanye bafake baluka into ezibovu abasebamba abantu. And I was like yo kuzokwenzakala la. ngikutshele yabo first day yaba ngize ngilale because I was like mhlawumbe bazobuya bazonginquma bathatha igazi bolifaka lapha. I couldn't understand ukuthi kwenzani. My thing is what like okay shuthi ngiya la ngizofike ngiye lana kuzobe isikhathi esincane vela kuzobe isikhathi eside yabo shuthi sizobe isikhathi esincane bese ngiyaphindela ekhaya yabo ayinto ethini mhlawumbe futhi bazokwazi bangivumela ukuthi mawukuthi ngisingavasha ngekhaya kodwa angazi lutho indaba yamadlutho angazi lutho indaba yezangoma mina. Okay it's fine fike ke laphana sifundiswe imithi sifundiswe izinto kungena amathuba abantu bezohlola abantu bahlole funa nohlola kumele nambe no lapha abantu mina nobethela akulalwa and I was like yo ayingazele manje. And one thing about me guys angifuni ngamanga because I know ukuthi bakhona abantu ababuka ama-video ami la ku-YouTube abantu abasondelene nomkhulu. Guys let me tell you something ubaba uNene besingeve sizwa bengeve ngimthanda even now I still love ubaba uNene but idlo lami mina lakhe avazizizwana angazi ukuthi why I wouldn't say anything ukuthi mhlawumbe khonto layibona kodwa idlo lami mina lakhe avazizizwane in such a way that sigcine sesicabana ukuthi angifuni ukuthi ngibe la akhona yabo. I can think or I can recall ukuthi mhlambe it was not me it was my ancestors saying this because mina ngokwami bengimkhonzile baba uNene bengimthanda bekumnandi bekunjeyana guys I wouldn't lie. Emthongweni bakwethu it wasn't easy for me angikaze ngahlala edlozini ngajabula ngathi hey kuqhumiswa cricket edlozini kunje edlozini kumnandi kudliwa ngo fork and knife cha lalela mntakwethu mina ngithwasile angivazi ngize ngiye empuqumpuqweni Muwazi kanginene akudlalwa nengane. Muwazi wazi ukuthi akudlalwa nengane. Kanginene ngithe manje wazi ukuthi uyavuka ngo6, ufuna uvuke ngo3 ekseni uyoshaya inkamba zakho. Maqeda kushaya inkamba zakho uyabuya uyageza. Hayi ukuthi usazophindela uyolala ngo3 ke usalala uzolala into ebheka ngo3. Ngoba phela yonke lento mhlawumbe uzoyenza for i-hour. So ku4 ngo5 ifanele nibe nishaya isigubhu nyagida. Kuzokuyoshaya u6. Aniphume futhi ngo6 navuka ekseni nihamba niyolungisa izinto egcekeni niyaclean egcekeni nihamba niyoclean esigodlweni niyamobhuza abantu mabefika ekseni befike ukuclean yonke into nathi uyavuka ekseni avuke sekuclean yonke into mawuzikhona ukudla ade ukhona nafudumeza ukudla naqala niyalontuza. Listen kakuningi in such a way that bekunethwasa besafiyanga kanye nalo kodwa bekuyilamkhulu ke mina bengithwasa la mama la uMakhosinene nemakhosinzimani so sisebenzisa lethwasa kuMakhosi Masoka sazwana ngalendlela sinomasoka in such a way that ukuthi amanye amathwasa bezabe nomona nathi yabo azizonde because like yazini into engixakayo labantu laba akade besephehlweni sengithola nomba yabo mawuyothwasa noma mhlawumbe usuyithwasa uhleli lapho uthwasa khona makufika amathwasa musu kwabukela phansi musu kujela ukuthi ayitshela awayeka understand iprotocol noma izinto ezenziwa kephi ebungomeni because thina into yethu ithatha isifiyos nomasoka lapha kwangaqokwa nje icathulo ungafaki nje ophaqi uhamba ngenyawo thina sathi mesifiyos sabe sishayela icathulo and baqala bakwata bathiwa laba indaba bengathethiswa namathwasa ngoba faka icathulo ngwale ekhaya faka thina asivunyelwa ukuthi sifake icathulo thina sasingatshelwanga ukuthi sifake icathulo sazi ukuthi icathulo ziyaqhokwa nje sangatshelwa hayi ke bakhuluma babona nje ukuthi ayingeke abekho nje kuthina bezondela lokho ukuthi laba bayatotosa ndisi and that wara because thina besinalento ukuthi uma sokubeqhamuke elontuzini emlazi mina bengiqhamukele emakhaya phansi we were cool like nje izinto bezi-right kuyikuni ukuthi besihlangene ukuthi asazi lutho ngezinto zamadlozi inkosami nazo zokuthwasa nani besingazi yabo besingazi lutho in such a way that ukuthi uzothwama ukuthwasa sithi ayibo yabo nje yabo yonke lonto choose me yabo so laba ke ngwaphela sebejwayele sebesibuyela kabi ngazi sisayitshela ngazi sizenza ngcono kunabo yabo so I end up ukuthi idlo lami ngicina selengikhiphile kuyena lathi no yazi nihamba nje la kumkhulu hamba buyela elontuzeni ugobela wakho of which I think vele into eyayivele le izoshaya because idlo lami alikwazi usingangisa kumakhosinzimande bese ngisa kephi kwesinye isangoma yabo of which nayi lapha I think uma waye wrong nayi wabona iphutha lakhe because washo okay mntana mayike inkinga mbuyela uze kumina of which lonto le yagcina isiqhatha izinto eziningi because idlo lami abazi lamthanda ulo baba kunene shoes because mina bengimthanda idlo lami ngingamthandi kwakhe lenze izinto za heavy zanzima but zangaba nzima ongana nongangokuthi idlo lamali akwazi ukuthi lisiyazini noma ngabe izinto zibithanda ukuziba nzima kanjani kodwa ngeke lizehluleke lona because ilona elikamele ukuthi lingenzele wonke umsebenzi lingihlambulile lingilontusa lingihlambulile lingifundise because lona lizongifundisa lizongisiza lizongiphilisa Okay, shuthi mangifika-ke khona lapha okay yangibiza uma sihlale naye. Let me tell you guys, it wasn't nice, it wasn't good. Ephehlweni akaze kwaba mnandi, ephehlweni akaze kwaba fucking night, akaze kwedlwa fucking night because today ungavuka kumnandi kusasa uvuke kushubile. Kwakushuba. One thing about me, mina into engayibona, mina idlozi lami lalilontuza, umuntu owangena kumina waye hey, angangathini. Even now, you can't tell me something bad. You can't talk shit about me. You can't talk anything bad about me masucathi ngizothula. I'm not trying to say ukuthi uma bekhuluma izinto ezibhede, but izinto ebezenzeka ephehlweni beziningi, sixabana noma sixabane now and then. Sixabane now and then ngibaleke ngiphindele ekhaya, ngiphindele. Aphinde angamukele ngezandla ezimhlophe futhi asibuye, ngibuye futhi yebo. Ngiyambonga mina lwamphefumulo, ngiyawubonga uma ungilwelile ubile nami empilweni yami. Angazi excuse ukuthi ngiyambonga ngani. Ngiyafisa nje uNkulunkulu mase ngiphila amandla ngokwazi ukuthi ngimthengele nje into eyobisipho ngithi nje ngiyabonga. Yabo ngithi ngiyabonga. Yes, abanye bazothi no vele kwakuyiduty yakhe ukusenze lezo zinto lezo, kodwa izinto zasezingaphezulu kwamandla akhe because ukwazi ukuthi azaxabane ngisho nanogobela wakhe owamthwasisa ngenxa yami. Yabo so ngangingekho mina nakuthiwa baze ngilingile idlozi lami lapha kuyena wayezoqhubeka izinto zabo benogobela zibe right because of mina baze baxabana nogobela wangabesaka ukwazi ukuthi bazwane ngenxa yami. Yabo so izinto za kanjalo ke kwapetupetu guys. So sengintshela my journey ukuthi akukaze kwamnandi kuthwaseni guys, akukaze kwaba mnandi kwathiwa nje vuka. Yabo kanti ke futhi kuhlukene, ngifuna ukungitshela abantu kuhlukene bakwethu. Ungamjudge umuntu ade ephuma entwaseni, obuye entwaseni wayihlalela kubo wabisangoma noma waba yini, because kunabantu abahlukene. Kunomuntu othwasele idlozi la kubo ukuthi ufuna lizongiletha amathwaso, uzoba umlaphi wendaba. Kunomuntu othwasele impilo yakhe. Mina ngokwami ngiyi-replace ngokuthi mina ngithwasela impilo yami mina. Hey mina bengithwasela impilo yami. Bekunzima ngigula guys. Yabo nje now I'm glad that angisaguli yonke into right. Yes, there must be ama-challenges here and there but ngoba angisaguli. Thank you Lord, thank you nasedlozini ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi lingifikise lengikhona, ngikwazi ukuthi ngihileke guys because izo zonke indawo engihambile I didn't get lokulapheka. Yabo so it was nice guys, it was cool kapha ngithile umgido wami ngiyaphuma ngabe sangoma because ayikho elinye igama ababanganginame ngalo. Yabo isangoma nje, that's all I can say. Into engifuna ukuyisho futhi nabantu ukuthi bakwethu ngiphumile entwasweni bekungekho mnandi but ngithe mangiphuma ngabona ngazi ukuthi izwe likhali buyayi kabusho ngathi izinto ikhaze nzeka kabusha. I think people see ukuthi ngithe ngibuye entwasweni kwenzakalani. Ngithe ngibuye entwasweni izinto zakhulu, izinto za amazing, impilo ya right, impilo ya nje. Ngikhuluma nje njengamanje. Yes, njengomuntu nje onormal you need to have ama challenges. You need to be challenged here and there just because impilo. But nje angisekho lo muntu ukuthi mhlawumbe lalela ayinawo indlovu amathwasa ayinabona abantu abangena ngeni badle entombini yami ngifuna uqamba. I don't want to lie to you guys ngithi entombini yami mhlawumbe ngenyanga ngena 4 people kuyenzeka nje iphela inyanga engangena ngamuntu and I don't care. Mina kwakumele ngikwenzile okwakhe lidlozi makuthi ufuna abantu lizoba letho esigodlweni, makuthi ufuna amathwasa azoba letho esigodlweni. I'm more welcoming noma hamba bani uthi ufuna ukuzothatha idlozi izomletha esigodlweni. Yabo so wena mawuthi na hayi usipheke kwashaqima ngimthembi idlozi lakho engafuni uzuze kumina, relax. Muslim uyenza into ezibe nzima izibe ngami na. It's not about me, it's not about me and it's not about you, it's about your ancestors ukuthi bafuna ukuthi usizakaliphi. Siningi zangoma ngangaya kuzona kuyothatha kuthiwa ngangazi engangikuthi ngihlale khona kahle ngingafundi lutho ngihlalele nje ngithile kusela. Hey bo so yeah guys, this was my journey. I wanna lie ishka kunzima guys but we are living life, we're living soft life. Angisoze ngalahla idlozi lami. Let me put this thing in a very big platform guys. Nginemcabango la umcabango yami, I'm thinking of ukubuyela enkonzweni kodwa ngifuna ungena enkonzweni abasindisiwe. Is this possible ukuthi ngingene enkonzweni abasindisiwe while ngisayisangoma ikhwama ngayilahlile? Because angeke ngize ngilahle ikhwama, angeke ngize ngishise indumba yami ngithi ngisesweni sangoma, no. But is this possible ukuthi ungangena elontuzeni let me say esontweni labasindisiwe usonto nje ube right kube nje kodwa ungayilahli ikhwama ezisangoma? Ngiyayibuzela nje just normal and usasebenzisa imithi usasiza abantu usenza yonke into. Kungenzeka because into ithi ingonkulunkulu. Into ingonkulunkulu. Mina yazi mina mangena into nami ngale ngithi ngithandaza inkulu redwa ngithandaza. Mina I always be lo muntu othandaza futhi ngifunde kuma uMashi always tell me thandaza uma noma kanjani uthi nje thandaza. So nje kanjalo ngithwase kanjalo, and uma ngendlela engimhlonipha ngayo, ngendlela engimthanda ngayo, yes izinto zenzekile phakathi kwami noma uma ungilwelile, nami kuningi ekwenzekile engeke ngisho ukuthi no uma ungilwelile, and ukwazi ukubezelela mina because idlozi lami belibheda, idlozi lami nothi belibheda, idlozi lami linolaka mina idlozi lami hey wena ngiyakutshela, noma ubeyazi ukuthi udila noba ubeyazi, akukwazi usingahlana umkhize nonzimande bese kuba khona into right ezophuma lapho. Yabo, so nje ngibonga nje uma ukuthi ungibekezelelile, wangifundisa impande, ngafunda imithi, ngenza yonke into. I want to tell people njengamanje ukuthi yonke into si-right, yonke into si-right. Sengibuyelile endombeni, it's not like ngike ngakhwitha endombeni, angikaze ngayiyeka endombi, angikaze ngayiyeka ukungena esigodlweni, bengingena esigodlweni, but abantu abazosaba ukuthi mhlawumbe abantu beze bezohlola, angibizi umuntu ukuthi ayeze izohlola kumina, angincenge umuntu ukuthi azizohlola kumina, angifune umuntu ukuthi azizohlola. Ayikho imali yomuntu mhlawumbe ngaze ngithi hey ngifuna imali yakho wozohlola noma wozothwasiswa yimina. Ungaya kothwasa noma ngebhlo ufuna ukuthwasa khona, engikwazi ukuthi mina idlozi mali khona lizosebenza, uma ukuthi idlozi lami ke luckily mina ngibe nedlozi lenhlanhla. Mina angiyanga kothwasa ngoba ngithi ngiyothwasela amadlozi, ngiyothwasela amathwasa, angiyanga kothwasa ngoba ngithi ngiyothwasela ukuthi sifuna kugcwala abantu endumbeni. Ngawuthwasa ngoba ngigula. Njengamanje ngiyabonga, I'm so grateful ukuthi angikaze ngigule, sebe ngaphuma ephehleni, angikaze kuba khona into encane engigulisayo. Kuyimanje impilo yami iyahamba nje musani ukukhuluma izinto engahlangene nazo. Kanti niyacika futhi ninjani, niyakwazi ukuthena umuntu nimenze into angayona, niyakwazi ukuthi nenze umuntu into angeyona nina. So into engifuna ukuyisho ngili-announce namhlanje ukuthi esigodlweni sengi-available each and every time. Uma kuthi khona udinga usizo angincengile, uma kuthi awudinga usizo is fine, you can skip this video because mina ngisonile sangoma mhlawumbe sithi sincenga imali zenu, no angingile imali zenu, but kumele wazi ukuthi uma kuthi udinga usizo ngikhona esigodlweni each and every time. Ungangifonela inamba yami 0729 2209 0729 220982. Makuthi khona into edinga usho simakhosi ngizofika ngesikhathi esithile esigodlweni ngizohlola noma ngizofuna into ethile. Okay uzokwazi usisilungise zonke izinto. Lalelani usingitshela because ngeke ngaposta on stage kuma status sami WhatsApp ngathi abantu abafuna inhlanga zemali zikhona. Inhlanga zemali zikhona, I'm talking izinto ekhona, ngikhuluma into engekho. Uma ukuthi ufuna inhlanga zemali woze ekhaya uphathe 2500, woza uphathe u2500. Uma ukuthi awuyidingi noma mhlawumbe uma ukuthi usingabiza, hamba ke enyangeni lezo babudodela noma iziphi inyanga. Yabo, inhlanga zemali zikhona, azisona isithwalo, lukhona ukuhamba lemali akusona isithwalo, kodwa ukuhamba lemali ngicishe ngikufanise nesithwalo. So izinto ziningi guys ngiyazenza lapha ekhaya, sengikhuphile ugedla usevukile manje, kuvuka ugedla ke manje. Sangoma singenagedla ahlehle, esingenagedla ahlehle kuzo zonke izangoma enibonayo la endaweni, mhlambe zo3 izangoma ezazimithi, zo3 izangoma ezazimithi. So angifuni ukuthi kube kanjani, asingabangi into engenasidingo, asingayibangi into engenasidingo. Yabo, umuntu ongenagedla kathule, because vele ngeke ngizenze lutho, ayikho into engizongenza yona. Ngiyakhuluma ngoba vele ayikho into engizongenza yona, yabo. Ayikho, mina ngeke ngize ngikhompise nani ngamathwasa, ngeke ngize ngikhompise ngamathwasa. Singakhompisa mhlawumbe ngokunye nosingamathwasa, ngokuthi ngena abantu abangaka esikolweni, no. That's not my thing. Bayazi ke mina njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ukuthwasa kwami mina ngangafuna edlozi, ngangafuna ukuthi hey sonke bisangoma vele kwaseqala ngangathandi kuba isangoma, kodwa kwalindela ukuthi kumele ngilandele le process ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi ngibe njani, ngibe healed, ngilapheke. Yabo, and now I'm available ukuthi ngisize nombani ofuna usizo bakwethu, ngincede nombani ofuna usizo. So lalela ke asibambeni la guys, please make sure you do subscribe, you like, and then you share guys. This was so amazing. That was my journey. If you have any